Hello guys, today we'll be discussing how to inscribe 3 circles in a given triangle. Now, each cycle will touch 2 other circles on one side of the equilateral triangle. This all we do. First step, we create an horizontal line. Now pick a point of our choice. Then we'll call this point A. And then with our compass already measured to 150 millimeter, we place the pin at A. Now strike an arc. I'll call that side point B over here. So this is my point A. A little hole so that full accuracy will be noted. This is point A and point B. Now using point B, I'll strike an arc. You can see it over there. Bring it back, the pin to point A. Scribe another arc. Now they will meet at a point, we call that point C, which is over here. You can see that perfectly done. Then we're using our rule. We join point A to B, point A to C. You can see point A to C. We join that. You can see over here. Also, we join points C to B. To do that so that you can see properly. Over here. So we've succeeded in doing that, and then probably we make points A to B to be an outline. Over here. Now we've succeeded in getting an equilateral triangle. Now an equilateral triangle, the side is what? A 60 degree to each other. So if you're looking for the half, talk about the 30 degree. This is it. This is 60 degree. You can see it. So if you're talking about the half, the midpoint of this, we're talking about 30 degree. So properly placed from point A draw a line till it hits at that point. Invert your set square from point B make sure it hits also this side properly. So if you succeeded in doing this, you join point C and point, let me call this D, this point over here, point D. Let me put a pin, a point. Now I will join point C and point D to touch line AB. Which we've gotten over here. Now open my radius. So any convenient radius of my choice, my compass, any convenient radius of my choice. That's what I'm doing over here. So I place the pin at B, open wide over here. So I do the same thing to this same spot. can see. So I open my radius again, reduce it to the given radius. You can see, let it not be above this point. So here, so I strike my arc. And then I join these point lines together. Point B to that same point. I'll make sure it passes through the midpoint, or else I'll be having challenges while drawing my circles. See it over here. I'll still use the same radius over here. Close the pin here. Then I'll join. Now similarly, I'll do that here. Let me erase that a little first. From this side here, strike my arc. To this side also. Strike my arc. Then I join it on point A. Make sure it passes through the midpoint. Now, challenges you face during this stuff is that when picking the midpoint, if this line shifts a little, then your center here has also shift. Also, this one shift a little, the center here have shift. So for more accuracy, if you're in the exam hall, you don't need to get to this point and then erase everything. Once you're picking your center and you find that I shift, you adjust your compass, because the major purpose of getting this is just to get the midpoint of this. Then you put your cycle. First cycle over here, we extend to one of the side of the triangle. Then we cross check if it's touching all this side. You can see so automatically my compass is supposed to be somewhere here, just a little, touching this side, you can see, and then touching this side. So you can see it's touching this side already. It's touching this side. So I just remember what I told you. Be very careful, because this drawing sometimes, especially inscribing of 3 circles in a triangle, it detects reconcentration and then full accuracy, or else you miss it out. Then the next one over here, check this point over here, check this point over here, check this point over here, and see it over there. And then finally this point, And you can see we succeeded in drawing three circles touching two sides of the circles and one side of what? The triangle. Now all you need to know is that the triangle over here should be an outline. The three circles also should be an outline. Then all other things like these lines, the construction, all are called construction lines. Remember, this is how to inscribe three circles in an equilateral triangle, touching one side of the triangle and two sides of what? The internal two sides of the other circles. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.